The nature has given us amazing feet of pure beauty.
漂亮，
Pure beauty.
棒棒哒，
Hey,
棒棒哒。
pure beauty. All we have to do is keep going. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the song. Thank you. Thank you for giving us a beautiful day here. The rain doesn't mean anything. It helps the waterfall reach its peak. And that's exactly what we want. We want the nature to support us the way it does every day. It doesn't live for itself. It lives for all of us here, humans, everywhere across the world. Thank you for visiting with me. Thank you for reaching and journeying along this amazing mountainous region of China's Anhui province. This is it. We have done an epic journey out to the mountains, and along the way we have journeyed through and learned so much that very few have been able to learn from along the way. Thank you for the journey that you have come along with, and I appreciate your energy and all of your amazing enthusiasm for life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is it. Look at that fall. It's coming at a speed that all we can do to appreciate life. Fantastic and fabulous. Fabulous indeed. Beautiful. Here we are. A beautiful waterfall. The feature that I'm crossing at the moment. At this cross junction. The water is flowing. Lovely. There you go. To survive that, you got to go underneath. That swirl has taken away the blue hole there. Look, it's a real dip. Amazing, amazing feel of nature's creation. And it's flowing down, and it's picking up the rhythm, and it's steady motion, taking all the way through. Amazing journey, all the way down to the sea. There we go. Amazing. Well done, lady. Well done. Great energy. Great effort. Great, great, great. Okay. There we have it. The means of getting up here is now from the hooks and belts and ropes, which, given the opportunity, I would do that. Yes, even at this age. The risk is what you need to take to live the life of an enormous beauty of what nature can give you. It is up to us to make the decision as to we need to grow and continue in our journey, or we stop where we think we don't understand any longer. And by doing so, you halt and you stop your entire future and your entire life ahead of you.